Okay, hey everybody, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. I hope you are doing well. The market's a little bit dicey here, but one sector that's starting to work is energy. You can see the XOP coming up above the 50. You see the XLE. It did that a while ago. So one stock that I added to our active trade list is, geez, I don't know what the hell's happening. I've got tactile dyslexia. Was Williams Companies today. This had been running right along the 20-day moving average. You could see these Bollinger Bands squeezing just a little bit. And so what I did was I looked at this high here and thought, okay, if the stock breaks out above that high, then I want to be long this stock. Yesterday, volume was really good here on this little stabilization day. Today, my suspicion is this is probably going to close maybe average volume, something like that. But I like the way this is moving. It's in a solid uptrend as opposed to a lot of stocks that are in the hope uptrend, meaning they used to be in an uptrend. Everybody's hooked on them. They want them to continue in an uptrend, but they're not. And so they wind up like tilting their computer so that their screen is tilted and then they can still visualize an uptrend. Don't do that. Trade good trades, not any trade. So I'm liking the way this is trading. I would keep a stop right down at 42.25. You can see today's intraday lows 42.35. And the point is, if this stock were to reverse all the way, if this were to reverse this entire move, then this is a fake out and you don't want to be long. Okay. All right. Look, that's all I got for you. Hope you all have a great day. Great Friday tomorrow. And I'll see you next time.